how to connect Twilio to Gohighlevel. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Twilio account to Gohighlevel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Twilio. Over here, go to the top right corner and click on the admin tab. After that, from the drop down menu, select account management. Then on the left hand side, you will see all your settings. Over here, go to API keys and tokens, which is under keys and credentials. Now click on create API key on the right hand side. Next, give your API key a name such as API1 and select your region and key type. After that, click create. Over here, you will see two important codes, and SID and a secret. Now open your Gohighlevel account. On the left hand side, scroll down to settings. Then in the settings menu, scroll down to API keys. After that, enter the SID and the secret code from Twilio into the respective fields in Gohighlevel. Once you have added this information, your Twilio account will be connected to Gohighlevel. So that's how you can connect Twilio to Gohighlevel. That's all for this video.